Welcome, puzzle heroes. Let's help our brave police car friend get back on patrol in the desert.
Ooh, let's try these big square blocks. Wait, those look like building bricks, not wheels.
Oops, silly bee! Those won't help our car roll. Point to the round. Rubber tires instead, everyone. Click-clack. Perfect fit. Those tires are ready for action. Vroom vroom, off he goes.
2, 1, go!
Now our mighty pickup truck needs some help. Can you count how many wheels he is missing?
Maybe we can use these triangle shapes? No, oh man, that's definitely a no signal.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ting! You found the right ones! Great job spotting those matching black tires. Superstar!
3, 2, 1, go!
High fives all around! Our police team is fully assembled and ready to keep the streets safe.
2,
You were amazing today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. Bye-bye.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Today, we are building some super cool construction vehicles, but oh no! Everything just went boom! Whoa! Everything is a mystery shadow now. Post B, can you guess which machine is hiding in that silhouette?
Is it a giant flying toaster? I bet it's a toaster.
Silly! It's our hard-working digger. Everyone, point your finger at the screen and help me drag the heavy shovel piece into place. Click! Look at that. The pieces are finding their homes. Can we count the wheels together? 1, 2, 3, 4!
Vroom vroom! Our mighty dump truck is back in action and glowing with success. Great work, team!
Look who showed up to help! It's SpongeBob and Squidward. I wonder if they know how to drive a cement mixer?
Oh my god!
Almost there. Let's slide that final drum onto our jolly cement mixer. Give it a big push, everyone. 3, 2, 1, snap! You did it! The whole construction crew is ready for work. You are all master puzzle builders today.
Hell yeah!
High fives all around. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more building fun. See you next time, Super Builders.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Are you ready to build some amazing construction machines today? Is that a road roller? Let's see if it fits the mystery shape.
Nope, not that one. Bummer, let's keep looking.
Maybe this big dump truck is the one. Oh, the no sign says try again.
Watch out! Here comes the forklift with a heavy crate. Beep!
Not quite. That forklift is for warehouses, not our puzzle today. Look at that bulldozer. Is it our winner? Oh, still not it. Wait, the pieces are flying in. Click, clack, zoom. Let's build this mighty bulldozer.
Ta-da! Our strong bulldozer friend is ready to move some dirt. Vroom vroom!
No. Oh my god!
Next up, our helpful dump truck. Let's snap these parts together. 1, 2, 3, go!
No!
Now, now for the road roller. Round and round it goes, flattening the ground perfectly. Last but not least, the forklift. Look at those sharp lifting forks go up and down.
Oh my god!
construction buddies are here to celebrate. You kids are absolute puzzle masters. High five, everyone.
Hey there, puzzle explorers! Welcome to our monster-sized vehicle adventure. Vroom! Let's go!
Whoa! Why is everything turning so spooky? That cauldron is bubbling like crazy!
Oh no, hold on tight! A giant tornado is spinning everything around.
Haha! Look at those silly cats. They are just as surprised as I am.
Time to solve the mystery! Can you find the silhouette that matches our jolly garbage truck?
Ready? Go!
Oops! That piece doesn't fit! Don't be sad, little friend. Let's try a different shape instead. You did it! Snap! That piece fits perfectly. Look at them dance with joy.
No.
Meow! Even the cats are impressed with your matching skills today.
No.
Keep going. Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
I bet the next piece goes right there. Wait, maybe not. Let's see if the audience knows.
Almost there. Just one more piece to complete our mighty water tanker friend. Ta-da! You finished the puzzle. That cat is doing a victory dance just for you. You are a master puzzle pro! Thanks for playing, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun! Welcome, puzzle heroes! Today, our big construction buddies are rolling into town for a super shadow match.
Whoa, look at them glow. It's like magic. Zoom, zoom.
Everything is turning into silhouettes. Can you help me find where these missing parts belong?
3, 2, 1, go!
Is that the bulldozer's big scoop? Click! It fits perfectly! Great job, team!
I bet it's a giant spoon for eating ice cream. Wait, no, it's for digging dirt. My bad.
Look at that cement mixer spin! Round and round it goes, mixing up the magic for us. That mighty dump truck just got its bed back. Vroom vroom, ready to carry a mountain of toys. Last one. The jolly garbage truck is all shiny and clean now. You did it! You're puzzle masters!
High fives all around. See you next time for more big engine fun, explorers.
Welcome, puzzle explorers! Magical sparkles are dancing over the desert. An adventure awaits us today!
Whoa, are those silhouettes of a police van and a truck? Maybe they are secret spy vehicles.
Not quite, silly! These are our brave police friends waiting for their gear. Let's get them ready for duty!
1,
Click!
go!
Look at that door snap right into place. Can you point to where the wheels go, kids?
I bet the wheels go on the roof. Am I doing it right?
Haha, not quite. Wheels need to be at the bottom to help our police van roll. Vroom vroom! Look at them glow! Our brave police van and pickup truck are fully assembled and ready to go! They look so shiny! Great job helping them get ready, everyone! Give yourselves a big high five! Boom! Fireworks for our heroes! Thanks for playing! Hey there, puzzle explorers! Are you ready for some super speedy shadow matching fun today?
Whoa, look at that fast heroic fire truck zooming by. Where is his missing ladder piece?
Can you point to the screen and help us find it? Is it the square or the long one? Click! You found it! That ladder fits perfectly on our brave friend. Great eyes, team!
Beep beep! Now the hard-working digger is ready to scoop up some dirt. Let's count his big wheels together.
1, 2, 3, and 4! Wow! He is so strong and ready to build a new playground for everyone. You guys are absolute puzzle pros. Thanks for playing and being our awesome helpers today. See you next time!
Oh, God!
Hey everyone! Grab your detective hats because we are on a mission with SpongeBob today.
Is he looking for a sandwich? Oh wait, it's a super cool police truck. Beep beep!
This brave police truck needs his gear back. Can you help us pick the right fender? It's puzzle time.
Ready?
Maybe the bright pink one? No? How about this neon green one? Vroom vroom!
No. Not quite silly. Let's look at the shape. Which one fits perfectly into the empty space? You found it! That blue fender is a perfect match. Click! Now, let's find those wheels.
Try the big ones. Wait, those are too tiny. Let's count them together.
no.
1, 2, 3, 4 wheels.
No!
Look at that! She's cheering because we got them all on. Great teamwork, everyone. Wow! Look at him zoom away! He's changing colors like magic. Ta-da!
A new police car is on the scene. Point your finger at the screen to help us choose the next piece.
Is it the yellow piece? No, that's for a tractor. Let's try the matching blue one.
No!
No.
She's so happy! We are almost done. Can you shout go when the final wheel clicks into place? Oh no!
Boom! Fireworks! You did it, Puzzle Masters. You're the best helpers ever. See you next time.
Welcome, puzzle heroes. Vroom! Look at our brave police motorcycle squad patrolling the city today.
I see 3 of them. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Are they chasing a giant donut?
Whoa! Hold on tight, everyone. A mysterious dust cloud just popped up out of nowhere. The dust is clearing. Who are these 2 mystery guests? They look like they have a puzzle for us. Time for a matching challenge. Pick the right colored shield for each police motorcycle team.
Yes!
I'm going to pick the red one for the middle bike. Wait, is that right? Maybe it's blue.
Use your finger to point at the correct shield on your screen. Can you help our friends match them up?
Oh no, an angry emoji. We missed that one. Let's try again with super speed. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes, a big happy face. You matched the colors perfectly. Great job being so observant. Pop! Confetti everywhere. You solved the puzzle, saved the day, you absolute superstars.
High five! Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more fun adventures. See you next time.
Hey there, little builders. Welcome to our sunset puzzle adventure.
Look, our construction friends are getting ready for a big job. Can you see them fading away? Whoa! Pieces are everywhere. Is that a giant spoon for a kitchen?
Not quite. Silly. That's a heavy-duty arm for our hard-working digger. Let's help put these silhouettes back together. Okay, team, point at the screen. Where does the big yellow cabin go? Click. Vroom, vroom. Now snap those sturdy tracks on. Perfect fit, just like a puzzle master.
Nope.
Beep, beep! Our digger is looking strong. Now can we find the parts for the bulldozer next?
No.
Slide that blade into place. Watch out, it's heavy. 3, 2, 1, kerplunk. Amazing work. We've got 2 mighty machines ready for action. Let's clap our hands for a job well done. You guys are construction legends. See you next time for more building fun. Superstars! Welcome, puzzle explorers. Buckle up for a high-speed adventure with our brave police monster truck crew. Vroom, vroom!
Whoa! Everything just went kaboom and turned into floating parts. Did a giant magnet do that?
Oh my God!
Speed is totally shocked by these flying wheels. Can you count how many wheels are rolling past, little friends? Look at those parts dancing in the sky. It's like a magical vehicle construction party. Click-clack, everything is fitting together.
Check it out. The SWAT vehicle is coming together. And oh, look at that cute kitty watching the progress.
Our boyfriend was so confused. But look, the police monster truck is back and sending us hearts. Great work, team.
What?
That was an amazing assembly mission. Don't forget to like and follow for more fun puzzles. See you next time, superstars. Welcome to the Desert Puzzle Challenge. Are you ready to solve some mysteries?
Whoa! Look at those cool military vehicles rolling into the sand dunes. Kapow! Boom!
Oh my, why does he look so surprised? Did he just see a giant puzzle piece fall from the sky?
Hey, that's not a puzzle. That's a space station landing pad. Wait! Oh, it is a game board.
Let's help our mighty transport van get its wheels back. Can you point to the round tire shape?
Amazing!
Good job. Nice.
fits perfectly. You're doing great. Keep going. We've got more parts to find.
No.
Nice.
Oh, God!
Is that the rocket
nice.
launcher? It needs its top piece. Where could it be hiding, friends?
Nice.
Nope. Good job.
We did it! You are puzzle masters. Let's dance and celebrate this victory together. Hooray! Wow, look at that magical golden trail. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Oh no, our brave rescue vehicles are in a bit of a pickle. They need our help to get back on duty.
Maybe they're just playing hide and seek without their eyes. I'm great at hide and seek!
They aren't hiding. They need us to match their missing parts. Quick, get ready to help. 3, 2, 1. Let's solve this. Can you spot where these silly eyes belong?
I bet the heroic fire truck wants the blue eyes. Wait, that doesn't look right, does it?
Not quite silly. Let's find the perfect fit together. Point to the right ones, friends. Click! Perfect match. You're doing an amazing job helping our vehicle buddies.
Boom! Look at those fireworks. They're so happy. You saved the day.
You're a puzzle superstar! Thanks for playing with us today, and we'll see you for the next big mission! Welcome, puzzle explorers! Are you ready for a Starry Tonight adventure with our construction pals?
Whoa! Did you see that dragon zoom by? Even our little chihuahua friend is shocked.
Boom! Everything is changing into a giant puzzle challenge. Let's get to work. Look at those silhouettes. Can you spot the mighty crane truck hiding in the shadows?
I bet the cement mixer needs a giant wheel. Wait, no, maybe a propeller? Haha, just kidding.
Great guess, but our cement mixer needs a sturdy drum to hold all that concrete. Click it right into place. Vroom, vroom. Slide that crane arm over perfect. You are doing an amazing job matching these parts. Look, the capybaras and their mouse friends are here to cheer for you. Yay! Can you clap along with them? You finished it! Every vehicle is back in action. You're a total puzzle superstar. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more fun! Whoa! Boom! Welcome to the beach, puzzle fans! Are you ready to help our brave police cars?
I hope they brought their swimsuits. Vroom! Let's get this mission started.
Look at those mysterious silhouettes. Can you guess which police car hides in the shadows?
Is it a giant pizza delivery car? No way. Definitely a super speedy police cruiser.
Not quite. Let's find the matching parts. Point to the screen and help us pick the right one.
Oops, that wheel doesn't fit. Try again, super sleuths. 3, 2, 1, search.
Don't worry, even heroes makes mistakes. Let's look closer at the shape. Does that curve match?
Oh, God!
Maybe this one? Wait, that's a tractor car. Silly me. Keep looking, everyone.
Click! Yes, that piece fits perfectly. You are doing amazing work, detectives. Dang! Another one locked in. Our brave police car is starting to look super shiny now.
Look at!
We are on a roll. Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
I found the siren. Beep, beep. Does this go on the roof? You tell me.
That's exactly right. You have such a sharp eye. Only a few more pieces left to snap into place. Final piece coming in. Snap. The brave police car is finally ready for duty.
Boom! They look so cool. I wish I had a police car that could drive on the sand.
You solved it. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. You superstars. Look at those fireworks. Pop. Bang. Our police friends are celebrating your victory.
You were incredible today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more puzzle fun. See you next time.
Hey there, little explorers. Welcome to our big vehicle puzzle adventure. Vroom, vroom. Let's get started.
Whoa, look at all these cool machines. I bet I can match the pink one first.
Not so fast, silly. We need to find the right silhouettes for our heavy-duty friends first. The clock. Welcome, everyone. What a beautiful sunny day to start our amazing puzzle adventure together.
Oh no, a big grumpy bulldozer is rolling in. Why is the sun crying, guys?
That's a bulldozer, a very strong machine used for pushing heavy dirt. But maybe he's just lost his way. Vroom, vroom! Look at him go, collecting those shiny gold coins on the rainbow path. Can you count them with me?
Yeah!
Whoa! Did you see that? Our hard-working digger is changing shapes like magic. Poof!
He finished the challenge and is celebrating with hearts. You all did such a fantastic job helping him today. See you next time, superstars!